Hi, I am Luis Eduardo Vargas, CEO of Routes and Trails. We have many interesting tourist plans and payment facilities. Routes and Trails is a well-known company with high-quality service. Palermo has wonderful place for full contact with nature. I do need to get closer to sense. You need to visit nice waterfalls and pure nature. You decide to travel to paradise, and you to walk in the place. Go to Palermo. You can live close to yourself. 3 days and 2 nights of freedom. The investment is only $900,000 per person. The trip of Palermo I can be done in 3 days and 2 nights. The first day, arriving around 8 a.m., the accommodation is in the family house. Later breakfast at 9 a.m. we will go to narrow path. 1 hour are small waterfalls in mirrored native forest in the back of the village. At 11 returns to village. At 1 p.m. we have lunch. At 2 p.m. we will go to the lookout. There we will observe a beautiful landscape and the sunset. We will return to village and dinner in your family house. The second day, later breakfast in your family house. We went out the park in the small van to grand waterfalls. Bad day and fun in the waterfall and the river. In this place, we will prepare the lunch. At 4 hours p.m., we will ride a horse to a small farm. There we will have a campfire, night, drinks, and music. There we will sleep. The 3 day later breakfast at 9 a.m. we are going to pick a grass, fruit of wild plants and are very healthy. At 11 a.m. break after we'll learn to make a peasant chicken sancocho. Later we will return to village in the and 4 p.m. returns to Paipa, arriving around to 6 p.m.